I won Gila here. Welcome to season 2 of Brawl Stars Reaction Part 8. Today I ran into is Brawl Stars Animation Hashtag 92 MZ Hairdresser and Chicken Rika. I know it doesn't say that, but that literally says on the title. Have reacted to this guy for about months, so I don't wait no time as always. Let's get right into this. Also, the video will be description as well. Here we go. You mobile game. Ben must, dude.
You are so bad. Oh my.
Good lord, why did he make that sound so loud? Oh my goodness.
God! Zombie.
I literally heard that.
Serious?
Can you stop? There we go. Oh my lord.
Try my new perfume.
There we go. Not a bad hairstyle. Yeah, wait for the second one as well.
Finally breathe again.
Yeah, that's a nice hairstyle. Really nice. Oh my. Can you stop? Thank you. Oh, 2,000 emeralds? Good lord. That is. Oh my goodness though, but I don't know why he made that sound so loud. Good lord. I'm already tired and this is what it gets. Well everyone, if y'all enjoy, you already know what to do. If you want to see the original video, it's in the description as well. So I will see y'all tomorrow in 2022. Bye. Also happy New Year's Eve as well.